9th class in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Arikera.
My name is B. Ishwar, studying 9th class, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Boys.
My name is H. Dilip Kumar. I am studying 9th class, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Boys Arikera.
We are very happy to participate in School Innovation Marathon 2024. Our innovative idea is e-dustbin. Our innovative idea is used to free garbage in our surroundings. Cities and villages. Problem identification. In our villages and cities, the municipality workers collected the dust and dump out of the villages and cities.
Material requires iron dustbin, iron box, sensors, heaters, wheels and current supply.
Working. The electron dustbin contains electric heats and sensors. The electron dustbin connected with power supply. When the people fall down the garbage, sensors are active, heaters burn the garbage. The acid found. No need to dump in our surroundings. Result. My innovative idea can change world garbage free. Innovative idea is village, cities and India as a garbage free. No need to dump in our surroundings. My role of the project.
For given golden opportunity.